This is an '09 F-350 6.4. This engine was locked up, or it didn't want to start. It wouldn't crank. Went through a starter, got another starter, and it wouldn't turn the engine. Took out the glow plugs on the right side, all of them. You can see in there all of them out, and took the starter out, turned the engine back about a quarter turn, and tried to put the starter back, tried to start it up, and it came back and hit one spot and locked up again. So went in the front, 4 bolts on the crank shaft, turned it a 4 rotation backwards, counterclockwise, backwards, a 4 rotation, went inside, put the key in the ignition, and give it that boost, turn the ignition on, and this is what happened. This engine is not locked up. At least it turns now, so I'm gonna put the spark plugs or the glow plugs back in and see if it will start. I think it hit one spot somewhere and it just wouldn't turn, and taking it back a 4 rotation counterclockwise did something, but it's turning now, turning free, turning like there's nothing. Put the glow plugs back in and get it running, and I will update you.
So we just put the things in and we're seeing if it cranks and starts. It's not smoking.
One more time.
Yeah, we should have plugged it in. So close. Can we put the jump box? Oh, okay.
Then the light is on in the other truck.
Okay, so we're going through the trash right here in the back. We found this. See if there's anything in there.
Oh, nope.
Yeah, we're already fixing the truck now. Yep, we're already putting it piece by piece. Yep. Look. It's not missing too much. Let me get a light in here. So, all that. And the center console. There's a dent right here. We didn't see, but it shouldn't be too hard. Fixable. And then there's this right here, big dent. Not too bad. Tail light is cracked, but looks like it's good steel. And yeah, it has a 5th wheel ball, so you can put one in there. Spray on bed. Show you guys better without no sound. Right here is where it's hit. Doesn't look too bad. This crease right here is supposed to be here. We took off some of the like tape, rubber, plastic. The truck looks good. Why it was smoking so bad is we found 2 cylinders or 2 glow plug plugs unplugged. We have the battery chargers on it right now. It's a very clean truck so far. My dad said there was an airbag light on, but there's no seats, so of course there's gonna be an airbag light on. Had jumper cables. I know, right? It's missing a couple of the plastic pieces. It's missing this one right here, the one under dash, the whole plastic piece, and the climate control, and center console, of course. And got sunroof, cameras, or a camera on the tailgate. They added this carbon fiber, but they didn't do it too good of a job. It's been sitting at Copart for a while. It's very, very dusty. But this blue like tape or like this wrap they added is really sticky. It's really sticky. It's a Lariat. But yeah. Got a fifth wheel ball. Missing the tailgate. Good tires all around except the front driver. And yeah. Alright, so I got you guys some light. These doors, they're very dirty right now because it's like cold, so like there's like water evaporation on it. It's a King Ranch, and right here 667, so that's a I think like a 2008 and newer, or 2010 and newer King Ranch. We went for the King Ranch. We're gonna add this on the bottom. We're gonna wrap it. We're just gonna wrap all this. Right here is the door panel, and what I mean, we're gonna wrap it from this part down. We're gonna wrap it maybe like a matte black. We're gonna maybe spray paint it like the bed liner spray. We hadn't made a decision. This is the inside door, or this, of course, the doors. This is the back passenger with the door panels. Those are both King Ranch. This is the driver. It's wrapped up right now. This is the driver door, but it's missing the door panel. So we're gonna order a door panel, but we still can put it on the truck without a door panel right now. And we got the mirrors inside. They're still in the box. It's not bad. Truck is really nice. It was smoking up like the whole like yard, and it was smoking up, but we think that's because of the glow plugs that are actually unplugged from the glow plugs. Like they were unplugged and it was splitting that oil. But only damage is right here, as of we know. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with the engine. Very nice tires, to be honest. They're not that bad. All are good, and this bumper is hit right here. When we were looking into it, it was like 2010. It had a car accident on the left side, And this is the left side, of course. And I think that's from it, and that is. But overall, catch you guys on. All right, YouTube. We're about to get our 08 F-350 dually. Just getting the old 4 cold start. We got it plugged in, so it theoretically should start. But I'll catch you guys back when I'm about to start. All right, gotta tell you guys, we already got our doors, but we still haven't got the truck. Coming in about 20 minutes. We got the doors, King Ranch doors. It's actually for a newer model. It's a 6.7. I don't know if you guys see that. Sorry, it's so dark. It's for a 6.7, but of course we got the 08, 6.4. You get 3 doors and the mirrors. And yeah, actually, this passenger driver door, or is this? Yeah, this is the driver door. Needs a door panel, as you guys can see. It's really dark. I'll film maybe another one during the daylight. This is the passenger rear, but yeah, we already got the parts. This shouldn't be too hard of a build. Hopefully it runs and drives. All right, sorry you guys might not be able to hear me. We're taking this trailer back to the other truck in front of this 09, and we're about to take it back to this truck. I don't think I'll film that, but yeah. All right, we just got the truck. I couldn't film it while we were getting it. It was smoking lots of smoke, so right now you hear this truck on. Tow truck with the guys right there. But we got it home. Airbag lights on, and we didn't see this. This is dented right here, and right here it's hit down here. Pretty bad, but nothing we can't fix. I got the interior seats, nice seats. It's missing these down here, and you guys can't see, but it's full center console is missing. Not too bad of a truck. You guys can't really see my bags, but I'll film one tomorrow morning and see ya. So here's a truck. We got started in the morning. So the glow plugs were unplugged and blowing oil out, shooting oil out. That's why I was smoking. Right now it's barely smoking. We just started off cold start. Sounds good and runs good. No check engine light. Or there? No check engine light. Airbag light because the seats are missing. But riding coolant because it's low in coolant. Very clean truck. I took off all the plastic pieces, and barely smoking black diesel truck. So that's good. When I opened this up, there's a lock on here, and I already tried, but we already drilled this out, and now it comes off. These dents, this one right here, we can pop it through this hole right here, and there's another hole right there that we could use. And down here, we're gonna hammer this, and inside pop this out. There should be already a liner here, and this paint chip right here is gonna be covered because we're gonna be doing a wrap from down here down, just because our doors are like King Ranch, so they have the gold on the bottom. Has no gas, idle smooth, and yeah, it's smoking right here because it's burning the oil that was there. We're building a shop over here on this slab, so we gotta move this truck. So I'm pushing it bumper to bumper. We got a push bar on this truck, but not on that. But we don't. This bumper's already messed up, so we're pushing it. I'm sorry, it might be a bit dirty, but. And now I'm gonna pull him. We already got a chain up. We had to push him because of this tree. He's on the brakes. Okay, there we go. He's trying to turn the wheel. He's turning the wheel. Do you mean to pull? You don't mean to pull? Okay, he's trying to turn the wheel before I pull. That's better. Messed up, but it was already messed up. We moved all these cars and we moved the two Lincolns. Alright, I'm about to push him or pull him. We moved two Lincolns, this black truck with nothing on it, and I'm about to pull him. This truck doesn't run. I mean, it cranks, but I think you guys already saw that. The chain, oh, there we go. It's starting to get tight. Alright, I'm about to pull him. There we go. Oh, that's close to the tree. I think we should be good. Yeah, maybe. I'm spinning! I started spinning on that, if you guys saw that. But we're watching the front because of the parts. Maybe something's hooking it up or we're blocking it. But yeah, we got this truck runs. It's leaking oil at the exhaust on it. Why? But yeah, we're about to pull this. I have school in about 20 minutes. I came in my lunch break over here. He's moving the parts from the Lincolns. We already took some parts out, but shouldn't be too hard. The people that are building it's like an add-on garage, so you can put a lift and all that. They should be here like 40 minutes. So yeah, we're gonna. All right, he got in. I think he wants me to pull in now. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, something was blocking it. Oh, he's got this train. He has no seat in there, by the way. He's sitting on a cooler. Alright, clear that tree now. Now, pull him back all the way. There we go. Put the brakes on, come forward now. Hold him with the chain. I started spinning up over here, but we got it off without breaking my tree. And went over here, so over there, when they build it, they have room. I don't know if we showed you guys this truck. This truck starts, it's got cylinder 2 misfire. We got the OBT. We erase it and it runs fine though. After you erase it, you got the seats in from that silver one, and pretty nice truck, clean truck. This is where we're gonna have the extra add-on garage. We'll take you guys through the process.